Look at that, look at that. A small bird's nest is on a small mango tree. Dear. Now slowly and quietly I'm going to approach the nest. Here, perhaps there is no mother. I think it is gone for food. And the nest is here on a small mango tree, and there are 3 eggs, small eggs of small birds. Okay, now I can guess this is the bird. Look at that, look at that. It is surfing. Oh shit, I went to another place just before, and now I have again reached to the small bird's nest, and now the mother is sitting on her nest. Okay, look at that, look at that. And now I'm going to see the nest again. Okay, the mother is there on a bamboo branch, and it is looking at me. It is not afraid of human beings. This kind of bird is well known to me, and it is just surfing. Yeah, I think this kind of bird is so friendly to human beings. They are most friendly to men. This is the small mango tree, not so tall, and the nest is here. But when I reached the nest, I was shocked that yesterday there were 3 eggs, but today only 2 eggs are remaining. Once laying egg is completed, sitting on the egg is the natural duty of female birds. Sitting on the eggs is nothing but to keep the eggs arms in order to produce and grow new young chick of their own kind. They try to bake the eggs until it hatches into young chick. Here the mother has come again. It sits 9 to 10 times per day so that the eggs can be kept armed till it hatches into young chick. It looks so beautiful. They don't like to build their nest on high places and on high position. They always intend to make up their nest on lower places, so they sow small plants, shrubs, and lower parts or lower branches of any plant. When something comes around its nest, it tries to hide itself. Although its enemy comes about its nest, it does not intend to go away from its nest. And this will hatch into young chick in a few days. Other birds are eating small fruits of the plant standing near the nest. Here comes different kinds of birds, different kinds of herbivorous birds. They feed themselves on such a small fruit. So okay guys, I think it's enough today, and this is a short knowledge about a small bird. Thank you for watching.